Hey guys, Sheree Noble here, your Foil Me Foils ambassador, and today I'm at Vauxhall. I'm with the beautiful Olivia Jenkins. You're seeing is an optical illusion. That is not me with a pair of scissors in my hand. I will definitely stick to hair color. As you can see, we've got some really juicy brassy bands in Olivia's hair, so I'm going to be cleaning that out today using my favorite tools from the Foil Me family. You might notice I'm also using a different color tint brush that's from our new collection, and it's a beautiful sexy grey for those that don't want to always use a pink brush and want to mix it up a bit. The foil board has been an absolute game changer for me. I do use a foil board for most of my color work, so it's been really good to have one that's designed to be extra wide so that it fits my foil on it. Love that we have variety in our brushes, and every brush has a different purpose. So I'm using my balayage me for any balayage and my tone me for our toning work. But as you guys may know, I did join a collaboration with Emily to design the pink Foil Me foils. These are a cause that are really close to both Emily and I's heart because they are to help raise money for breast cancer research and awareness. They're also absolutely stunning in the hair, and we get the most comments from all our clients on the pink, and it's also a great conversation starter. We've softened out that brassy band and I'm really happy with our result. Thank you Foil Me for making the best tools for us hairdressers.